Hi there, Matt here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLA45 AMG we have new in stock. This GLA45 is finished in the eye-catching Jupiter Red paintwork. You've also got the AMG Night Package as an added optional feature. You can see some of the AMG Night Package features being displayed around the exterior with the 20-inch alloy wheels, the aluminium roof rails painted in black, the exterior mirrors painted in black, the front apron, the rear apron, the Beltline down the side and the window surrounds all finished in gloss black. You've also got privacy glass. The interior is half leather, half microfiber. You can see the seats are the AMG Performance Seats with the contrast red strips down either side. These match up well with the exterior of the car with the red and black look. You've got your leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel with the dynamic and microfiber grab handles. You've got access to your cruise control functions on the left stick. On the centre console, you've got your drive selector. You've got ambient lighting in the cup hold area. You've got access to your climate control functions further up. Also some of your infotainment controls. You've got access to your heated seat functions, your climate vents. On the centre screen you can see that you've got DAB radio, and you've also got access to your reversing camera from here. If you'd like any more information on this 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLA45 AMG, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.